Yo, come here, brother love. We're gonna film you for a minute.
Oh man, you want him in Jamaica?
Keep filming it. Keep filming it.
You want my Jamaican stuff?
No, just talk.
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me how much you love our product. Okay.
Oh, man.
Okay. You filming?
Yeah. Oh man,
What's your name again? Mark, right?
Mark, right.
Mark. The first day you walked in here, that was like 3 weeks ago, I think.
Yeah.
I introduced myself to you, and you kept going and going and going, and telling me about this product.
This is awesome, man.
What's awesome? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the quality. I'm talking about the color. I just went on to where you manufacture your product.
Okay.
And I got 6 beautiful colors, and these are gonna go in. It's like the bright.
Now you have a huge home, I heard, in Jamaica.
Little people around me. Yeah, I got this beautiful home. I'm building from scratch up in the mountains. It's awesome, man.
Now, what product are you putting on?
Well, it's for the bathroom for the girls.
Now, what part is the Fine Marina or the shiny
Fine
one?
Mama.
Pick him up, what? Oh, rock on, now rock on. Pick him up, what? Pick him up, what?
Now, why are you picking that product compared to other products?
I just like the sheen.
The shine.
I
okay,
like.
so you love the shine.
I love that. I
love that.
It brings out the colors. It brings out the tone. It brings out the nuances.
Now I heard that you've been going on our website and watching our videos like crazy. Every night when you're at work, boom, 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 boom.
Don't let my boss see this, man. Yeah, I do that. And it's awesome, and it's something that you can grasp. It's something that you love. You get attached to this product, man. You might go broke. Gotta be careful.
Wow.
Gotta be careful.
Wow.
But I love the product, man. It's been nice. I think you guys are real awesome.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate that.
I'll be coming back often. And I'll be telling guys about your product.
Better,
and
man.
I know that they're gonna be flying up from Jamaica just an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Or in 20 minutes.
Wow.
Coming to Miami, come down, say, see the guys. Gonna be going down to Jamaica.
Joke, man. I appreciate the love, man.